Hi students, my name is David Brainard. Now today I am going to discuss about Clemmenson reduction reaction. This is one of the important named reaction, and at the same time this is an important topic for competitive examinations. First one, I am going to discuss about definition for Clemmenson reduction reaction. So, generally the carbonyl group of compounds like aldehydes or ketones are taken. These are react with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid. These molecules are converted to unsaturated hydrocarbons or saturated hydrocarbons. This type of reaction is known as Clemmenson reduction reaction. One of the example is observed for this is a unsaturated ketone group of compound. This molecule react with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid. This is unsaturated ketone group of compound. This molecule react with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl. This is converted to unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is the best example for Clemmenson reaction. Means this reactant molecule is unsaturated keto group of compound. This is react with this reagent like zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl. This is converted to unsaturated hydrocarbon. Means the keto group of compound is reduced. Means the keto group of compound is eliminated. So the carbonyl compounds are converted to hydrocarbons. Finally, the main thing in this reaction is the carbonyl compounds like keto group of compound is completely converted to hydrocarbons. This is the main thing in this reaction. So, this is the first way of Clemmenson reduction reaction. And second thing is observed in this reaction. This is the reducing agent, but the double bond is do not reduced in this reaction. Why? What is the reason? Generally, such type of reducing agents are observed like sodium borohydrate. This is also best reducing agent, but some reagents like zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl and sodium borohydrate and next one lithium aluminum hydride. These are the specific reducing agents. Most probably all situations these reagents are do not reduced for double bonds and triple bonds. Only reduced specific conditions. So this is another thing for the Clemmenson reduction reaction. And second point is observed in this reaction. Second way in this reaction is this reaction involves dehydration process. What is the meaning of dehydration? Any chemical reaction is taken, that reaction liberated few water molecules. The type of reactions are known as dehydration reactions. Generally, heating process is applicable in any reaction. That reactions are best examples for dehydration reactions. But this reaction do not involving in any type of heat. But this reaction is involves dehydration process. For example, this is one of the important carbonyl group of compound, delta hydroxy keto group of compound. This compound react with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. So as usually the keto group is reduced to hydrocarbons, and the hydroxyl group is eliminated, means dehydration reaction is possible, means totally this molecule delta hydroxy keto group of compound is completely converted to unsaturated hydrocarbon and eliminated one water molecule, means Clemmensen reduction reaction is observed. This reaction involves a dehydration process. So this is one of the best example for dehydration reactions. Finally, this reaction statement is hydroxyl carbonyl group of compounds are completely converted to unsaturated hydrocarbons and eliminated few water molecules. Means this is the best example for dehydration reactions. And next one, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds are taken. Alpha beta unsaturated. So this is alpha carbon, alpha beta unsaturated keto group of compounds. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds react with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. This is completely converted to pure alkanes. These molecules are completely converted to pure alkanes. What is the difference between first reaction and third reaction? So this is a carbonyl group of compound. This is also carbonyl group of compound. This compound containing one double bond. At the same time, this compound containing one double bond. So same reagent is reacted, like that reagent is zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl. This reaction is also involved same reagent like zinc amalgam and a concentrated HCl. But this double bond, this molecule double bond is do not reduced. This double bond is reduced. That is the difference. So why? What is the reason? So this reagent like Clemmensen reduction or Clemmensen reducing reagent only reduces double bonds or this type of compounds like alpha beta unsaturated compounds. Means alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds are reduced, completely reduced by using this reagent. This is the importance of in this reaction. So these 3 points are main highlights in this reaction. And one of the bad thing or negative mark is observed in this reaction. So alpha keto or alpha beta keto carboxylic acids react with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl, do not reduced in this reaction, do not reduced by using this reagent. So these are the bad thing in this reaction. Okay, bye.